Whether you're road tripping or just a weekend warrior, exploring has never been easier. Load up confidently with the Knotix, a new universal roof rack that fits virtually any 5-door vehicle. Intuitive and simple to install in just 20 seconds. No tools or experience required. It's so simple, anyone can do it. And it stows away just as quick and easy. Equipped with patented magnetic and mechanical locking systems, the Knotix stays secure through bumps, serves, and rough terrain, making any road trip or weekend adventure a breeze. Extending up to 50 inches and handling up to 330 pounds of cargo, the Knotix extremely durable construction and modern design prevents scratches and damage to your car in any type of weather. Handling speeds up to 125 miles per hour and covered with a 3-year warranty, the Knotix is your one-size-fits-all roof rack solution. Easy to install and even easier to enjoy. Go more places with Knotix.